Well,
All right, what are we doing now? One last one?
Yeah, one last one. Oh, I could probably get 1,000 here, no problem. Now that we're not actually trying.
Shut up!
Okay, maybe
Ow.
not.
All right, what do you guys want to play?
This is not vert.
One more Hall of Meat,
I kind of want to. I don't know. Do you guys want to do another Hall of Meat?
or you
We
want to
already
do a
did-
legitimate one?
I kind of want to just legitimate. Like I kind of want to do like one of these street contests.
Street contest. I like street. Let's go street.
It's a street contest.
Grind, man. The grind's hard.
Playing Fever Spread. Oh no, we're gonna do.
Yeah, the bros grind
playing-
is
The grind is real for the bros grinders. We do it every day.
Yeah, Max, the grind is real.
grind
Really?
is real.
Well, not in Max's case because he missed the grind, but you know, everyone else's case, the grind is real.
Yeah, Max. Yeah, I'm sorry, Max, but you're not really a grinder.
He tried to grind.
He
He tried to grind once.
he's so against the grind that he just can't grind.
Well,
in real.
the rail actually grinded him. It was quite disgusting,
yeah.
actually. Ugh.
it was a re-grinding.
No, it
a
was
meta
like-
grinding.
I know. I don't like it.
Anti-grind. basically.
Anti-gravity. Anti-gravity.
No, it has nothing to do with gravity.
Your gravity. You're just weighing me down, man. Seriously.
Yes,
Fuck you.
yes, I am.
Thanks for that one, Newton.
So what do I do in this one?
Thanks, Chilled Newton.
Grind.
What do you mean?
Skip
What
this
do you
guy. I
do?
don't want to hear this guy talking.
You stop talking. Yeah, I can't understand him. Just
Ah.
I'm in the red corner.
Tricks, dude.
Ghastly Mexican.
Don't bust your face, you motherfucker. We're not calling an ambulance.
I don't.
Oh, best trick.
Best
Okay.
trick.
I know. She left me roses by the stairs. Anyone really care?
Oh no, that would have been sick.
Oh,
Go to
man.
Mark.
That's it. So you won.
Sketchy. That was sketchy. Okay.
Oh, cut him off.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'm
dude, best
fucking.
trick.
Wait, how do you fucking teleport back, or can you not?
You can.
Yeah, you,
How you doing, man? You just teleport.
God damn it.
there we go.
Crap.
Fuck.
Oh,
You have
baby.
so many
you're
points.
elite.
No, this is improbable, irresistible.
You wanna
Damn
do
it. How do you teleport? How do you teleport?
Left bumper, then
that.
up.
Oh, get up on the.
Oh, okay.
Oh, what? I got my
Fucking hell.
ass
Oh,
pinned.
that would have been so sick.
Left bumper and then up. Oh,
Yeah.
Mark.
Oh, this is not good.
cool.
This is not good. This is not good.
No, let's beat it. I can beat that score. I can beat it.
I can't fucking play this game. Jesus Christ.
Oh, and everything is sketchy. I hate it.
I almost
I won that one for sure. See me? Look at this.
Oh wow!
Ready?
Look, we all just jumped through each other. That was cool.
What up?
Well,
Oh, it didn't show best trick. It
no,
just
I was
showed-
showing my trick.
Oh wow, Max, that was.
It's really good.
Did you not even decide to do anything? Were you just hanging out watching?
No, I'm trying. It's just you guys skip to these different events and I don't know what
Did you
I'm
bring the
doing.
camcorder? Were you at least recording us? Come on, I want to put that on my YouTube channel.
Make this guy be quiet. I'm tired of him.
Okay.
What's in the box?
What's in the bag?
The black box.
Jam. Okay.
Jealous.
Do all the moves, guys.
Do all the tricks. Why do I start at the opposite end? Like they're segregating me.
Did you
It's
smell?
anytime I'm about to do like a good move or whatever, it's just like, okay, then now we're gonna fall for no reason.
Oh, that looks good. It looks no.
No, don't do that far ahead.
Me?
What the fuck?
Because
Are
they
you
segregated
kidding?
me, so I fought for my rights.
This is bullshit.
I can't fucking land a trick I want to land. Can't fucking land a trick I want to land.
Oh baby.
Okay.
Who took that lead? I did.
Fucking, I hate this game. I hate this game.
I'm hating this game right now as well.
I'm just trying to grind a little bit. Okay, all right, beat Ditzy.
Oh wow, what the fuck was that?
Yes.
What the
do?
fuck?
What the?
Where am I going?
Bad.
I don't even know. My guy's drunk. My guy needs alcohol. He needs to be habitually sober.
Yes!
Wait, no. God.
I beat you in the very end.
Oh boy.
I did
I'm
pretty,
sorry.
that trick that got me up there. That was pretty fucking sick.
All right, I don't need street anymore. I need a ramp. I need a ramp.
How many more of these do we do?
I think one
Yeah,
more.
When does the torture end?
When did they put the bullet in the brain? When did they end it? That's a ramp, right?
Yeah, it is. As a learning experience.
That's not a ramp.
That's a ramp.
That's a 90-degree incline. How do I go up that thing? There's no lip at the end of it.
That's trick. Okay, Mac, you can win this.
Shut the fuck up.
What? Wow, dude, I'm your friend.
You're not acting very friendly.
Ramp is sucky.
Yeah, it's not a ramp. It's a plateau. Ow.
I don't get this.
Yeah, I don't understand it.
Terrible. It's a terrible ramp. I don't.
We're skating. We're skating in the shipyard. Gassie's. Well, I gotta change that.
Fucking winning.
How is he?
Well, this just doesn't make sense anymore.
Just let me have this.
I can't even get up this
Just
thing.
let me have this.
I can't get up it. So I
Yeah,
don't-
it's like there's. Doesn't make sense. It doesn't make any sense.
If I could just.
Oh, I had it. I had it.
There we go. I'm doing something.
Wait, that's not the contest area. Come on.
Fuck you, Goldie.
I don't.
You couldn't let me have one.
How do you fucking? Oh, seriously? That
One!
is the
Oh,
stupidest ramp of all fucking time. I hope it dies.
I hope that ramp just quits itself. I hope it exits
You
that
just
line.
couldn't let me have one.
I'm sorry, man. I had to go clutch mode again at the end.
I'm
Stuck.
sorry for anyone that actually is good at skating and watches these videos.
I'm not.
I'm not at all, actually. I'm better
Yeah, I
than
got
them.
second.
I admit I'm not better than them, but I'm having fun trying.
Okay.
I'll
what
come
do you-
back more powerful than you could
What do
possibly
you
imagine.
wanna play, Max?
Dark side.
I'm done with this. I'm done with skate.
I'm kissing my
done.
board.
Yep,
Wait.
I'm done with it.
I have one you can do.
Nope, I'm coming back more powerful as you could possibly imagine. This is it for me, guys.
No, I have one you can do right now.
Final mountain race. Oh boy. Do the mountain race. Do the mountain race. Do the mountain race.
Max,
What?
right here.
I don't want to play anymore. It's not fun.
One race to rule them all.
You have this,
One room to
buddy.
buy.
It's a race. All you gotta do is be faster than everyone else.
Yeah, you don't
All
have
the
to do any
thing is
trick.
just don't bail. Just don't bail.
Just you got this. Okay? I have faith in you.
Look, you simply just point the board in the direction you want to go. and
Wait,
then
should
you
we all
win.
luge? Can we all luge?
We could do a luge race.
How do you do it again? It's A and X, right?
L
A and
L R A X.
Right. Okay.
Luge race. Those are the rules.
Luge race.
Don't
How
be a
to do
loser.
that?
Who's gonna fuck
Max,
around? Who's gonna?
not
Oh,
gonna do
Dick's
it.
classic Dick's.
Like,
always
just
pushing
be a
jump
me.
loser,
back.
be a
You're
loser.
dick, dipshit.
So we're doing a luge race?
Yeah.
Yes.
I hate this.
What? Why am I not losing?
I hate this.
Go.
All right.
Right when we get
It
to the
doesn't
first one,
work.
we.
It doesn't work. No, I was
I'm
lying.
getting
I was lying.
faster.
Get speed.
It does,
going
you
faster.
fucking cheaters!
I'm going faster than you.
I'm gonna lose everywhere. Oh God, this is really dangerous.
I fell.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
What just happened?
We got
Fuck you
lose
guys.
backwards. Gassie's winning. You were right. Gassie could win something. We're being hoodwinked
I'm gonna win.
by a man in the hood. We.
Oh no!
I'm trying to lose. It's not letting me. Oh well.
I'm not doing no illusion shit. Fuck you. Fuck all of you.
You're gonna lose for not losing. You're gonna lose for not losing. Hey, get away from me.
Anyone ever see Airborne from the
Yeah.
90s?
Ow! Where
Was
am I
exactly-
going? I'm in the
ending was
sewage
exactly
drain.
like this, except with rollerblades. Oh shit.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Or do you mean
Airborne was the shit.
No, don't pass
Jack
me.
Black
Don't pass me.
Back they were famous.
Why'd you pass me? Why would you do
I
that?
can't, bitch?
Why'd you call me a bitch?
Oh, I fell. No.
Oh
I
shit!
don't know. I don't know how I did that.
Luge
We're going.
racing.
Oh, hey,
Are you guys still losing?
I got the luge on my
Did a
side.
trick just for the fuck of it.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
This is
yes!
a cool mountain race.
Why are you so far ahead of me? You're fucking 13
away, Nick.
seconds.
24 seconds
God.
behind. How the hell did I do that?
Oh, oh.
You know what? Fuck all you guys. I've been losing a little bit, okay? So, the hell with you guys.
I fucking broke my legs.
We had an agreement.
Why did I do that? I just went all beat for no reason. God damn it. Okay, I'm not gonna hold down.
We
No,
had an
it's-
agreement, gentlemen.
Don't beat me, no! No, don't let Jill
Oh,
beat
I
me!
bailed. I bailed. I bailed.
Oh,
Shit.
damn it. Max beat me.
I won something.
This is upsetting.
Win, Max.
Don't tell Max, but I let him win.
Shut up. I
Whee! You guys all
Yay.
fucking blow.
Oh my god, are you gonna grind your way to victory?
No, no, Jill!
Yes, luge! No, luge upwards, go! Luge 2
Just
feet!
run, just run, just run.
I wipe my ass on the grass in victory.
How do
I
I
win. Yay.
you, Max?
All right, I'm done now. I'm done. This is the real I'm done.
We'll
You're
pick
not
it up
even-
next
I'm gonna
time.
come back and try to fucking get better.
Thanks for
You're not
grinding with us,
Oh,
fellas.
everybody,
look,
hey!
everyone's happy.
even-
Everyone's
I
happy.
get a and for all the other contests.
Dude, I get all the chicks on my side. You get all the dicks on your side.